Hey, this is Mike with J&M Reviews. Today I'm reviewing this sleep mask by HealthA2Z. So this is the packaging that it comes in, and this is the sleep mask. So it's pretty thin. I would have liked it to be a little bit thicker, to be honest with you, but it's a little, it does the job. So it's nothing, it's pretty thin as you can see. Nothing is like inside, it's just a thin layer of fabric. So it has a little strap here that you can adjust, and then you just put it over your face. I can't see, so hopefully, yeah, okay, just making sure. So that's what it would look like on the sides. I can't see, so hopefully this is coming out okay. So, yeah, I think so. So as you can see, that's what it looks like. So it definitely does the job. I don't see a thing. So, and it's not too tight, a little bit. I mean, I would have to just adjust it a bit, but yeah, that's a little bit better. So definitely adjust it to your liking. You want to put it behind your ears. It also comes with a little package, a little case to put it away. Also has little earplugs, and so there's two of these little earplugs you can use. And this is the rest of the packaging. This is the back, all of that, and has a little paper that it comes in. So very nice. Packaging presentation is very nice, and it does the job. Thank you again for the sample, HealthA2Z. This was given to me by them, and I really appreciate it, and have a great day.